It's been a while since I've done a video because we were all on lockdown, so we can't really go out camping, so I thought I'd do something a bit different and show you basically one of my other interests. I do a bit of mountain biking, so this is basically just a quick overlook of my new mountain bike helmet from Giro. This one's as you can see, the Chronicle. It's got mips. I bought this one to offer a little bit more protection, so I just get it out the packet. It's just the postman's only just delivered it, so I'll get it out and let you have a quick look if I can. Anyway, let me do this. So, as you can see, it's quite a deep helmet. It's for more mountain enduro style helmet, this is. So I've gone for this because the other helmet, it's just more the basic cross country style. And I purchased a new bike about a month ago, which is just that bad boy there, the Santa Cruz Bronson. Wanting to do more heavy duty stuff, so I wanted something with a bit more protection. As you can see, it's got the MIPS logo there, and I'm not sure what that locking system is. Is it something like quick lock or something stupid like that? I'll be able to tell you later on if anyone wants that. But as you can see inside, this is the MIPS, and basically it allows your head to, it moves around, so if you have an impact, instead of your head taking an hard knock, the helmet will move and basically dissipate some of the force that you get from having an impact. So it comes deep round the back of your head, which is good really to protect the back of your head. And I think these are removable. They should be. Yeah, they're removable in there. Just got this thing. If I can get it out with one hand. Yeah, I can't do that, but yeah, you get the idea. I can get it. There we go. Just like a buckle fastening. And then that's inside, as you can see where all the yellow dots are, that's the MIPS. So yeah, and the colour I've had it in, this is in the true spruce, which is like a matte green with like little neon yellow green thingy. It's got like a nice visor that you can move up and down. Somehow, I'll figure it out. But yeah, the visor can move up and down, and it can take goggles. And I think I bought this for him for Tweaks Cycles, which I think they're based in Wrexham. And it was a lot cheaper than other places. A lot of places for this one you're looking for about 120 quid. Some places selling it, others, the best I'd seen it was for about 89. Places like Wriggle or Chain Reaction. And when I did a bit of research, and Tweaks had it for, I think I paid £74 for it, so I had a good saving on it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to going out and using it. It's a bit like the Montero, which is basically Giro's premium all mountain enduro helmet. And the main difference really is this, you still can see the foam on the Montero. It's fully enclosed, but I'm not too bothered about that. As long as it does the job and protects my head, that's all I care about. But yeah, that's it. A quick overlook of the Giro Chronicle in true spruce. Hopefully at some point we'll all be able to get back out and do some more wild camping. But until then, we've got to make the best of it. So everybody, from Dave from Wildernessoutside, everybody stay safe and look after your families.